We want you to make innovative dishes with a nod to pizza in all 3 rounds.
Go get him, Chef.
All right.
We're ready to be blown away.
I know that my pizza is the best.
I'm ready to regulate this whole kitchen. Pizza is like #1 comfort food.
This is gonna be like chaos. Ants.
He does not look happy at all.
God, this dough's not baking at all. It's not popping up the way it should.
Now, we pray to the pizza gods.
Welcome, Pizza Pros.
Ciao, Ted.
Thanks for having us.
Nice to meet you, Ted.
We are thrilled to have you here because your passion is our passion. We all love pizza.
I can go for a slice right now.
We want you to make innovative dishes with a nod to pizza in all 3 rounds. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Time to get to work. Open up your appetizer baskets. You'll be working with charcuterie cones, carrots, frozen mozzarella sticks, white anchovies. Chefs, I should also add there's a wide selection of dough options you can choose from. 20 minutes to make appetizer pizzas. Clock starts now.
Go get him, Chef.
Come on, guys. You got this. All right, guys.
Chefs, let's get it.
I'm making a pizza called All Roads Lead to Rome. The most important part of Roman-style pizza is that the dough is made with a higher hydration, and it truly is the most digestible product. I'm going to use cherry tomatoes in my dish as my base and add the rosemary from the charcuterie cone and the tops of the carrots.
Pizza is a palette, and you can do whatever you want with it. No parameters. The Detroit-style crust is moist and fluffy on the inside and nice and crispy on the outside. I'm using the carrot tops, sriracha, garlic, blood orange from the charcuterie cones, and the anchovies is a spicy green sauce. At Down North Pizza, we always name our pizzas after different hip-hop songs. I'm calling this pizza that's on because I'm in New York, Jay-Z. We bring that together with the competition, and it's on.
For my appetizer round, I'm making tavern-style pizza and giardiniera hot sauce. For my giardiniera hot sauce, I'm gonna roast the peppers in the open flame. I'm gonna add the shallots, garlic, jalapeno, vinegar, and the carrots.
I'm gonna make a New York-style 3-cheese pizza with a white anchovy tomato cream sauce.
1 minute to go, chefs.
All right, guys.
Let's go, guys.
All right.
Miriam, get it on
Come on,
the plate.
guys, get it on there.
You gotta get it on plate.
Miriam is literally just topping the pizza right now.
I put my white anchovy tomato cream sauce all over, and I put my burrata ball in the middle of it to finish the pizza.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
All right. Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Chef Rob.
This is a Roman-style pizza. It's called All Roads Lead to Rome. The meaning behind that is that no matter what toppings you give a Roman-style pizza maker, it's a beautiful canvas to be Picasso and make art with.
Chef Miriam.
It's a 3-cheese white pizza with white anchovy tomato cream sauce, burrata, and then it's got the mozzarella cheese sticks on there and the burrata ball on top.
Chef Michael.
Well, at my restaurant, we name all our pizzas after Philadelphia hip-hop inspired songs. So this is the It's On, since we're in New York. You know what I mean? Jay-Z and Beanie Siegel, it's on.
Yeah, bro.
Finally, Chef John. What's your pizza style?
It's tavern-style pizza. Being a guy from Chicago, mozzarella sticks, we are not hiding it from them because, again, Midwest.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Miriam, you've been chopped. Judges?
Miriam, we love the way you cooked your pie. It is representative of New York-style pizza, but unfortunately, that burrata just kind of took away from some of the other beautiful stuff that you had on your pizza.
Chef Rob, Chef Michael, Chef John, I wonder what these entree baskets have in store for you. Go on and find out. And you'll be making main course pizzas using Kung Pao chicken, lacinato kale, honeycomb, and bison sausage.
Thinking about how I'm gonna remix all this.
30 minutes to complete your plates. Time starts now.
All right, guys.
chefs, let's get it.
Get it done, get it done.
I'm making a pizza called the San Gennaro Feast pizza. What inspired this is going to San Gennaro Feast and you see all these sausage trucks and you go and you take a bite of this beautiful sausage and pepper. So I grab a white onion from the pantry along with the peppers from the Kung Pao chicken. That fresh onion and the bison sausage, once you bake it on the pizza, it's gonna mend all the flavors together.
For my entree pizza, I'm making crust the process. I'm gonna make a glaze for the bison sausage out of gochujang and mustard powder. And then I'm gonna make kale chips out of this kale for some extra crunch.
The pizza that I'm making is called Save Me. It's a song by Meek Mills. You know what I mean? Save me for the next round. Yeah, give me the crown.
John's pizza looks a lot better than the first time.
Let's go, guys. Let's get it all
All
done.
right, chefs, let's go.
All right, time is ticking away here, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
All right. Good job, guys.
Chef John.
This one's called Crust the Process. This is exactly how I like to present tavern style. You take a few things, you take a lot of things, but you get a bite of everything on each square.
Chef Michael.
Once again, I name my pizzas after Philadelphia songs. I'm gonna go with this one, Save Me by Meek Mills, as in save me for the last round of pizza with the crown.
Finally, Chef Rob.
So this is my take on the San Gennaro Feast. What do you get when you go to a street festival? Sausage, peppers, and onions.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Michael, you've been chopped.
Chef Michael, we really enjoyed the kimchi, but we really wish you would have used the Kung Pao chicken in a more creative way rather than as an afterthought and topping it on the pie.
Open them up. Vegan pepperoni, strawberries, cupcake-shaped pizzas, and dried pineapple rings. Final half an hour on the clock. Clock starts now.
Go get him, chefs.
All right, guys.
Beautiful. Let's
got
go.
this.
I like this.
Let's go.
I feel good about this.
I do too.
Yeah, I like
think
this.
the right two people are here.
Brioche in Rome
Fine.
is usually stuffed with creams or chocolate mousse to make a maritozzi.
Just winging it at this point.
I scoop out the sauce and cheese and get it into the fryer. While traditional maritozzi is made with whipped cream, I decided to grab the mascarpone and mix it with some milk chocolate.
I'm gonna make pizza fried donuts with a mole chili strawberry dipping sauce. I'm gonna toast my chilies real quick because that's what really opens up their incredible dimension of flavors.
I take the cupcakes out and immediately sprinkle them with some sugar and cinnamon. I taste my filling, it's perfect to my liking, so I pipe it right into the cupcake.
All right, guys.
Let's go, guys.
Come on, guys. Get it on there.
You gotta get it on plates.
Final seconds of the final round. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Chef John.
Judges, I have made you pizza donut bites with a chocolate strawberry chili mole.
Chef Rob.
So this is my version of a Roman-style maritozzi. Typically in Rome, they make a maritozzi with a brioche, and then it's cut open and filled with some sort of a cream, usually a whipped cream.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef John, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef John, loved hearing your story and the commitment that you have to your community, entire competition. In your appetizer round, unfortunately, there were some inconsistencies with the pizza itself. Some of it was a little crispy, some of it was a little undercooked and needed a little bit more time. And then there was the dessert. It was a real challenge, that dessert. And so we had to chop you.
Thanks, it's great cooking for you all today.
Best of luck.
Congrats.
And that means, Chef Rob Cervoni, you are the chopped champion. You're walking away with 10K. Great work, sir.
All right.
Nice.
The pizza god smiling down.
Finally, I get to say without a doubt, Roman-style pizza is the best pizza in the world.